Hello, this is Tim from milehighthemes.com. We're the creators of the multi-theme. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use metafields to create custom badges like these on the products in your collection grid. So the first thing I want to do is make sure that we have those enabled. So within my online store themes area, I'm going to customize my theme. I'm going to click this theme settings gear icon. Go to product grid and then scroll down. Make sure that show custom badges is checked. If that's not checked, go ahead and check it and save. From here, I'm just going to exit out of here in a new tab. Now I'm going to go to settings, custom data, products, and I'm going to add a definition. The name of it doesn't matter, so I'm just going to call it product custom badges. So it's easy for me to remember. The namespace and key needs to follow a specific naming convention though. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to theme.custom_badges. So it should look just like this. All lowercase with no spaces or anything. Theme.custom_badges. I'm getting a warning because we've already created this in our demo store, but you shouldn't get this error message when you type this in. And the type you're going to want to choose is single line text and list of values. So then you'll save that. I'm not going to save it because it won't let me because we already have it. So I'm going to discard that. But we've already created this meta field in this store. So from here, all we need to do is now go to our products, and I'm going to click this 11-inch tablet product, and then scroll to the bottom, and this is where all of our meta fields are. So we've got quite a few in here. You probably won't have this many unless you've created some. Just look for whatever you just created, product custom badges, click in here. You'll see that it's populated already with the words value deal. So if we look at this again, there's that custom badge value deal. Now it is possible to add more than one if you like. So you can click add item and say 25% off. So now we have two badges there. We'll save that. And then sometimes this takes a minute or so to kick in, but if I refresh this, we now have two badges there. So it's possible to add multiple badges. I wouldn't go too crazy, but you can certainly add more than one if you like. And that's how you add those custom badges to your products on the collection pages. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support staff. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.